Hi there, in this video I will download and install Microsoft Office 2021 version. Open a browser. I have opened Chrome browser for this tutorial. Then type Office customization tool. Click on the first link as it's from the official Microsoft company. You can also find the links in the description box. After that, click on 64-bit as our most of the computer is based on 64-bit. After that, choose Office Suite from Product section. Click on Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. Then no need to change anything here. Click on Next button. In the language section, choose English. Then click on Next. No need to change anything again here. In the installation option, click on Next. In the upgrade options of the toggle button of uninstall any MSI version of Office, it will be good if you uninstall Office version if you have already installed. Click on Next. No need to change anything again. In the general section, click on Next. Then scroll down to the below. Click on Finish button. Hence your configuration file is ready. Click on Export and choose Office Open XML format. Click on OK. Tick the checkbox to accept the license and click on Export button. Save it carefully as we need this file after a while. I have saved it in the Documents folder. After that, type Office Deployment Tool and click on the very first link as it's from the official Microsoft company. Click on Download and save it in the Documents folder also. Then go back to the Documents folder. Make a subfolder here with the name of Office 2021. Then select the files that you have downloaded just now and cut them. Open your created folder and paste here. After that, right click on Office Deployment Tool and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, tick the checkbox and click on the Continue button. Then you have to select the folder that you have made just now in the Documents folder as Office 2021 to extract deployment tools. Click on Documents, then Office 2021, click on OK. Then refresh to see the extracted files. After that, go back to the Documents folder and cut the Office 2021 folder. Go to the root C drive and paste here. Remember, you have to paste this folder in the root of the C drive. Then you have to write two commands to download and execute the Office 2021 official version. You can find out these lines in the video description box also. Click on the search and write CMD. Right click on CMD command, run as administrator. Click on Yes. You can copy these two lines and paste, or you can type carefully. Type cd /office 2021, enter. It will choose the Office 2021 folder. Then type setup slash configure configuration.xml. Then hit enter. It will download the official Office 2021 version and it may take too much time according to your internet speed. After a long time, it has finished downloading and it says Office is installed. You can close all your windows and maybe you can restart your computer. Open search bar and type Word. Wow, it's working fine with the official version. After that, type Excel. It's also working. Finally, type PowerPoint. All done. Everything is working fine. Thank you for being with me.